First bite. Jameson, do you want this? What do you think?
What do you think?
What do you what?
What do you think? Took a picture of me.
Is it good?
Is it good?
More JB.
More J.
I think he likes it.
I love it. The third bite.
Yay!
Yay!
He likes it.
Is it yummy?
He's probably just.
He's doing so well. Look at him.
This would be his only food now, because he doesn't fight back.
Oh my gosh.
Do you like it?
Yay! I'm so happy.
Finally. Is it yummy?
Oh
Oh
no.
my gosh.
Here goes Ted on the other side.
He does funny
Yeah,
stuff.
but look how he knows to open his mouth. It
Yeah.
means he's ready.
Yeah.
Yummy. More?
He's done spitting it out.
Go on the other side of Nate, Harry.
Does he have any teeth, Mommy?
No, he doesn't need any food.
No. It's so liquidy.
Well, but that's how you start. I made it the normal consistency. More?
More? He doesn't fight. This would be his only